Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we're tackling two of the most confusing words in English, affect and effect. These words sound similar, but they have completely different meanings and uses. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand exactly when to use each one. Here's the fundamental rule that will help you remember. Affect is a verb and effect is a noun. A verb is an action word, something you do. A noun is a thing or object. So whenever you need an action word, use affect. Whenever you need to talk about a result or outcome, use effect. Let's look at affect as a verb. When we say the rain will affect our plans, we mean the rain will change or influence our plans. That's an action. In another example, his speech affected the audience means his words had an emotional impact on the listeners. Again, it's showing action or influence. Now let's see effect as a noun. When we say, we saw the effect immediately, we're talking about the result that we observed. Effect here is the thing or outcome that happened. In another example, the medicine had no effect means there was no result or change from the medicine. Effect is the thing or outcome. Here's a helpful memory trick called ravens. For affect, think of the letter A, which also stands for action. Affect is the verb, the action word. For effect, think of the letter E, which stands for ending or effect, as the noun, the thing that results. Use RAVENS to remember. Action equals affect and ending equals effect. This simple trick will help you choose the correct word every time. Let's look at two common mistakes people make. First mistake, saying the weather had no affect when you should say effect. Since you're talking about a result or outcome, you need the noun effect. Second mistake, saying don't let it affect you when you should say effect. Here, you need the verb because you're talking about an action or influence. Remember, action equals affect, result equals effect. Now let's practice. Fill in the blank. The music will blank your mood. What word goes here? It's affect because music is performing an action on your mood. It's influencing it. Next sentence, we waited for the blank of the news. This needs effect because you're waiting for the result or outcome of the news. The news will have an effect, which is the noun. Here's your quick summary to remember forever. Affect equals verb. Think of it as an action word. Effect equals noun. Think of it as the end result or thing. Use the raven's memory trick. Action equals affect and ending equals effect. And here's an important note. This rule works 99% of the time in English. Now you have the tools to use these words correctly in your writing and speaking.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.